Okay guys, so you're welcome to this channel, and today we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram music notes not working or not showing. So as you can see over here, a lot of people have been complaining that their Instagram music notes is not showing. So I'm going to fix that problem in this video, so don't forget to subscribe. As you can see over here, this is the channel, so you have to watch to subscribe. You get me? So this is the subscribe button, so you have to tap on this subscribe button. So um, this is what you have to do. So before we start, let's go to our phone. I want to use my mobile phone to teach you. So as you can see, you have to go to your phone menu, and when you get to your phone menu, what you have to do is to search for Play Store. So you have to search for the Google Play Store. So when you see your Google Play Store, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's going to load. So when it load like this, what you have to do is to go to the search bar over here and tap on it. So when you tap on it, what you have to do next is to search for IG. So just type in IG or Instagram. Then you tap on search, and as you can see, it's Thursday. So as you can see, it have not been updated. So tap on it. So when you tap on it, what you have to do next is to tap on the update section to update the Instagram app. So as you can see, it says pending over here, and it's now loading. So let's wait for it to load. It's around 4%, and it's going to move from 4 to 100%, and after that we are done. So as you can see over here, we have 47.39 megabytes. So the size of this app is 47.39 megabytes. So let me show you as we are waiting for this to reach 100%. So let me show you something over here. So I have to show you something small over here. So as you can see over here, it says write a review. So if you're finding any problem and you want to reach the Instagram company, what you have to do is to just tap on the review. When you tap on the review, tap on describe, and after that type in whatever you want to type. So let's say Instagram is not working, so you type in what? Instagram not working, please help me fix this problem. Then you type in, then you choose 1 star or 2 star or 3 star or 4 star or 5 star. If you really love it, then choose 5 star. If you don't love it, then choose maybe 4 star. So it depends on how you want to choose it. So you choose maybe 5 star. After that, then you go to this section, the post. Then you type on post. When you type on post, immediately you type on it, it's going to be posted over here. As you can see, it's going to be posted over here. As you can see, this is some 1 star and what the person wrote, and this one too is some 1 star and what the person wrote. So they are going to reply you within some few hours. So you can check more over here to see how people are listing their problems over here. Did you get me? So these are all problems by people. So let's go back. So this is what I wanted to show you. Let's go back to it. So this also how Instagram looks like. If you don't know how Instagram looks like, this how it looks like. Let's go back and go to about section. So about this app, when you go to about this app section, what you have to do is you have to read through this place, and you're going to get more information about the Instagram app. And if you scroll down to this place, you are going to see what app information or app info, as you can see over here, and it means that it's going to give you more information about the app. So as you can see, version of the app updated on So it was updated on the 12th of July, and today's date is what, 15th of July 2023. So as you can see, it was updated 3 days ago, and the download is 1 million downloads plus, and they have the size of the app is 47.24, and it's required for 109 and above mobile phones. So when you are using a mobile phone that is 105, this app, which is the Instagram app, is not supported for your phone. And also, as you can see, it says you have in-app purchase. So they have items in the app which is based on the app that you can purchase, and it's not by force. So if you are interested in it, you can purchase. And it says what offered by Instagram, and Instagram was released around 2012, which was 3rd April. Do you get me? So that's it. If you want app permission, you tap on it to see how the permissions are. So you have to allow the camera, contact, location, microphone, phone, storage, others. So the others you can read, and it's going to tell you everything, which include Wi-Fi, crane intent, and also a lot. It's a lot. I can't read it because of time. So let's go back. So when you go back, so this is it, and let's go and check whether it has finished. So as you can see, it has finished updating. So as you can see that it has finished updating, what you have to do is to go to your phone settings. So let's go to your phone menu and search for settings. So you have to search for the settings app, which is around this place. So when you see it, just tap on it. So when you tap on the settings app, you're going to scroll down and search for this, which is apps and notifications. Some of the phones it says app and preference, and other phones it says only apps. So when you see only apps, tap on it. When you see app and preference, tap on it. When you see apps or apps and notification, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's going to load. So let's wait for it to load. As you can see, app and preference. So when it's finished loading, what you have to do is to tap on see apps, see all apps. So when you tap on see all apps, what you have to do is tap on see your apps. When you tap on it, it's going to load. You can come to this section to search for the app, and you can also scroll to search. So let's search for it so that it will be fast. I don't want the video to be long, so let's type in IG or Instagram. So when you type in Instagram, you're going to see it over here. So let's tap on Instagram. So when you tap on it, you're going to see this, you're going to see all this. So what you have to do over here is to go to storage and cache. If you want to go to storage and cache, you see this, tap on the cache, clear cache. So when you clear the cache, tap on clear storage, then you tap on what? OK. So when you tap on OK, so you tap on OK, and after that you see it like this. Then you go back. So when you go back, what you have to do is to tap on the force stop over here. So tap on force stop, and you're going to see this. And when you see this, tap on OK, and you see that the force stop has been blurred. Okay, the color of it have been changed. You get me? So after doing this, you have to go back to your phone menu. So let's go to our Instagram app. So let's go to Instagram section. So when you get to the Instagram section, you just tap on the Instagram app, and it's going to open. So as you can see, Instagram is opening. So as you can see, it have been opened, and this is my Instagram app. So if you want to add a certain note on music, just tap on it like this. So when you tap on it like this, what you have to do is to, maybe let's say you're taking a picture and you want to add a music to a note. So let's tap on music, then select the music you want to add. Maybe you want maybe Kwaku the Traveler, which was which is owned by Black Xiaomi. You tap on it, then you tap on whatever you want to choose. As you can see, it's it's playing in the background. So as you can see, so I want you guys to see it clear over here. So as you can see, what is playing the music is what is playing over here, and after that you can tap on done. When you tap on done, it's going to work correctly, and you're going to see this. So when you tap on what send over here, it's going to send for you guys to see. So as you can see, there is send over here. So you can tap on send, or you can choose friends over here to send to. You can post it on your story over here, and as you can see, what it says in the music is writing over here. So everything is written over here. Thanks very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. If you don't understand anything, let me know in my comment section, and I'm going to get to you. And don't forget over here, as I showed you guys, you have to what? You have to always, subscribe to the channel. This is it. Just tap on the subscribe button, and there's the channel. So as you can see, I have a lot of videos over here on the channel, so you have to view everything. You have to subscribe to the channel by, just subscribe to the channel. Just click on this. Just click on it. So right now I just have what I have 108k subscribers, and also I've uploaded 122 videos on the channel. So thanks very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like the video and share this video to your friends. See you in my next video. Bye bye.